I'm Dr. Prifysgol. I'm a sociology and social policy lecturer at Bangor University. The individual project in particular is fantastic, where you have to go out and design and conduct a piece of research. You'll learn how to deal with data, how to collect data, and how to write reports. These are all fantastic transferable skills once you get to university, which will come in handy when you write your essays, possibly when you write a dissertation. And of course, these are also really important skills once you enter the workplace and have to write reports and other documents as a part of your employment.
Hello, I'm Dr. Gareth Jones. I'm a lecturer in philosophy and religion at Bangor University, and it's fantastic to hear that there's a new curriculum for the Welsh Bagloriaeth that focuses on developing skills in particular, which is priceless, if anything, especially if you're thinking of going to higher education, developing your further education, and even in the wider world. With the 3 projects that you can work on, there'll be an opportunity to develop numeracy, literacy, and a wide variety of skills that are definitely useful for academic study, but also in the wider context, in the actual outside world. And because of that, the new course is definitely invaluable, and it's definitely worth taking and pursuing.